Okay, so of late people have been talking about talking too much about the data science aspect that probably people need to uh, know at certain point of time to escalate themselves who are into the corporate world, by any dimension. Maybe the IT industry, maybe the financials, maybe the marketing department, anyone. Uh, However, going through the process of the adopting the same skill set, couple of points that coming to my mind is that how much authentic this could be. That we really need to take a leap into the same aspect. I did a certification course, and I can proudly say that I'm a certified data scientist now. Um, the point that I'm trying to raise at this point of time, which is probably not very authentic to many people. However, this is something coming to my mind, which is predominantly this particular aspect of skill set, which requires a lot of quality data, need to be analyzed in a certain pattern, to draw some kind of visualization, to find out some hidden aspect of the organizational growth to a certain extent. However, isn't it very true that during the course of analyzing the same or adapting the same culture, we really need to be dependent on one aspect, which is data. I can understand that there are too much statistics involved, some kind of coding involved, a lot of machine learning algorithm, a lot of artificial intelligence, deep learning, and we do have these kind of tools available because the computers are too much powerful. They can do the computation very efficiently, and we do have certain tools that we can actually process all our data very smoothly. However, how much data is relevant and how much data is actually needed, probably rephrasing the question in certain way, that how much data is not too much data. How do you know that? For an example, a startup or probably any mid-scale organization which is trying to do better every day by some kind of project, some kind of product, how much data probably they would have? That is a question. However, going by the aspect, going by the current demand, if you see, if you just put some of your intelligence, do some kind of R&D, you will find out that there is a sea of availability. People are like offering data science courses like anything. It's just like Mentos toffee. It's available everywhere. So it's very true that this particular skill set is needed, but then again it is very true that people need to understand this particular skill set, which is data scientist skill set, need to be predominantly adopted and cultivated in certain way that it actually generates value. You really need to find out that particular sweet point which will actually add the expected acceptance in a certain level. Otherwise, it's going to be a huge failure. I do believe that maybe people have different aspects. However, that's what I think.